The purpose of this video is to show the benefit of having a Lee 4-die set. This is the Lee 4-die set. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in .45 automatic caliber. And I want to talk about this fourth die, which they call a factory crimp. This is a commercially made round by Remington. .45 automatic, 230 grain. This is a case gauge which is used to see if the bullets are the correct size that will chamber in a standard firearm. This one's made by Dillon Precision. These are nice dies because they don't rust. And when I put the round in, notice it drops straight in with no effort. When I look at the round, I see that it's slightly below flush, which is correct. If I hold it in there like that and look up this way, I see that the bullet does not stick out above the case gauge. And also, you'll notice the round drops out. So that's a good round. Now, these rounds I loaded using these coated bullets. These are cast lead bullets, 230 grain. Normally cast lead bullets are coated. There's a grease ring here, and normally there is a lubrication squeezed in, a waxy type of a lubrication squeezed into those rings. But this is a more of a high-tech bullet that's just been coated. It's almost like a powder coating, powder-coated paint type coating, and it takes the place of the normal lubrication. Now, this is the first time I've tried to load these, and the problem I've noticed with these is that these rounds are slightly bigger in diameter now on account of that coating. Watch what happens when I try and drop this round into the gauge. Look, it doesn't go all the way in. That's a big problem. That means it may not chamber in your firearm. Now, this factory crimp die does two things. The first thing that it does is at the very mouth of the die there's a hard carbide ring that's ground to a precise diameter. And one of the things with the cast bullets is sometimes they're not perfectly round. They can have little slight bulging to them and so forth. And so with that hard carbide insert in there, when this goes up in there, it will iron that out and make it perfectly round. Okay. And then the other thing this die does is by adjusting this knob here, you can adjust the amount of taper crimp that you have on it. Because when you load these, this die right here, the powder die, what it does is it puts a bell shape. It opens up the mouth so that you can start these bullets, so that you can set the bullets in there. Well, when you get over to here, you need this crimp to flatten that back out. So just to show you again, that does not go in there. Now you'll notice it drops in. It's slightly below flush, and it drops out. So the Lee Factory Crimp Die does an excellent job of fixing those sorts of problems. Let's try this one. Same thing. That one's even worse. Let's see what happens when we run this one up through there. There you go, straight in. So if you're looking to get dies for pistol calibers, I highly recommend the Lee 4-die set. Don't get the 3-die set. Get the 4-die set with the factory crimp. Thanks for watching.